Well, it is Thursday, and I am back in the office coming up with a blog article tomorrow regarding the decision in the Supreme Court case, which occurred last year. It is the case of New York State Rifle versus Bruen. And what that case basically did was it changed the face of the ability to get a gun permit in states like New Jersey. Now, I've done articles and done videos on Pennsylvania versus New Jersey. And as you know, New Jersey is a may issue state, while Pennsylvania is a shall issue state. Now, what that basically means is may issue prior to the Bruen case basically meant that you couldn't get a permit in a state in like New Jersey or New York if you were unable to show justifiable need for a permit to carry in that state. Now, Pennsylvania doesn't have that requirement. That's why it's a shall issue state. What the Bruen decision basically did was it made may issue states effectively shall issue states. So now New Jersey can no longer use the justifiable need requirement like New York. And now many people are getting permits to carry. In the past, it required the showing of justifiable need, and unless you worked in security or were in some type of business that required you to show that you had some type of threat to your security, you weren't getting a permit in New Jersey. So it's a very important decision. Now, New Jersey and New York, what they've done is they've created these laws now prohibit carrying guns in certain places. I'm going to break down those categories in that article, but basically public events, government buildings, schools, any place that sells alcohol, various recreational places like playgrounds, you can't carry your gun. So New Jersey has outlined in that law signed by Governor Murphy the places where you can't carry your gun even if you have a permit to carry. So it's a way of kind of getting at the Supreme Court decision. Obviously, the states have to follow the decision because it's the United States. But the point of the article is to basically say that you can now obtain a permit to carry in the state of New Jersey. You have to go through the process. It is much more of a process than it is in Pennsylvania, but nevertheless, you can get a permit to carry in New Jersey. You still have to go through the courts, but they can no longer use the justifiable requirement of your safety as a requirement in this state. If you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. New Jersey, as we all know, has the Graves Act. Carry a gun in New Jersey without a permit to carry, you're subject to a mandatory minimum 42-month state mandatory minimum sentence. It's a very, very serious offense. It's a felony charge in Pennsylvania, in New Jersey, I'm sorry. Pennsylvania does not have mandatory minimum sentencing when it comes to most firearms offenses. But again, I'm going to discuss this in the article tomorrow. You will see it in my weekly update, which goes out to over 4,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. It's a fantastic e-update coming out tomorrow. So the blog article will come out, the e-update will come out, and plus this video will come out. So you are well covered. If you are thinking about getting a permit to carry in New Jersey, still follow the process, but understand that it's much easier now to get that permit to carry. So once again, have a great Thursday. I'll talk to you all very soon.